me show you how to find determinant of the given matrix. First, you need to make the matrix first. So go to second matrix and go to edit, and I'm choosing matrix A, and you need to make the size of the matrix first. Let me make this one 2 by 2 matrix. And let me put 1 here. Let me just put a random number here, 2 and then 3 here. And when you go back to main screen from this, you may go back to matrix, and when you go to name and press enter, then this is a matrix that I made. And from here I may find determinant of this matrix by doing go to matrix and go to right once, and you see DET, determinant of this given matrix is 7. And if you want to find inverse matrix of this one, then you gotta do second matrix and this one, and you can do -1. I got my answer in decimal. You may change this into fraction by go math and enter. This is inverse matrix, and this was given matrix.